You know what's weird? You spend months building exactly what your customer told you they wanted, then you launch it, and crickets. They barely use it. Here's the truth. 73% of product features never get used because teams think they're listening, but they're not. This cost companies millions per failed launch. I've seen this happen dozens of times. Now let me show you the 5 levels of listening that changed how I build products. Stay with me until the end because level 5 changes everything. Level 1, waiting mode. Someone sits across from you, nodding, but they're not listening. Instead, they're planning what to say next. You know that feeling when you're just waiting for your turn to talk? That's level 1. Level 2, half listening. People try to listen but get distracted. They check their phone or think about their to-do list. They catch some words but missing the real meaning. It's like watching a movie while scrolling social media. You get the story but miss important details. Level 3, active understanding. Now you are focused. You want to understand not just the words, but the full message. You ask yourself, what are they really trying to tell me? You might even repeat back what you heard to make sure you got it right. Level 4, reading emotions. You notice their tone, body language, and the word choices. Are they frustrated, excited, or worried? Maybe they're trying to stay calm when they're actually stressed. Emotions show you what logic hides. And level 5, hearing what's not said. And this is where breakthroughs happen. You hear the gaps, pauses, and hidden struggles. Like when someone says the system works fine, but takes a long pause before saying fine. That pause tells you everything. So here is what this looks like in practice. Let me tell you about a client situation that shows exactly why this matters. Their team said, we need our dashboard to load faster. Users are complaining. Most people would speed up the loading time, right? But I listened at level 5. I noticed their frustration and asked, what happens when it's slow? And the real problem, users had to click through several different screens to get basic info. Speed wasn't the issue. Too many screens was. So we didn't make it faster, we made it smarter by putting important things on a single screen. And the result, each user saved 15 minutes per day. And that's 60 plus hours per month for their 80-person team. We finished in half the time because we solved the right problem. The client called it the most valuable project we've ever done. So here is your challenge. In your next customer conversation, listen for what they don't say. Notice their pauses, watch when they get emotional, and pay attention to what topics they avoid to brush past quickly. That's where your breakthrough idea is hiding. And if you want to get better at this, I've put together a user requirement course that teaches the same approach I use with my clients. I keep the group small, around 30 people, so I can actually help everyone individually. The students in my last course saw some pretty good results. Most cut down their project revision significantly and got to market faster. If you are interested, I'm opening enrollment again now until the spots fill up. If you are ready to stop guessing and start knowing what users need, check the link below. Find out what you will discover when you truly listen.